rice cake, crispy dumpling, chocolate points, fortune cookie, pastry bread, seaweed cookie, ikat matcha. We're gonna do a Chinese food mukbang.
So we have dim sum and Chinese treats. Okay, we have
On my side, what do you call this?
mixed meat puff.
So, ito palang food namin. We got this from Sea Fortune. Lalagyan namin yung link down below. Andun sila. Okay. Next is sticky rice in lotus leaf.
Baked barbecue pork butt. Good.
Siomai.
Rice roll with Chinese donut, seaweed cookies,
Fortune cookies.
baked rice cake, all butter. Old school tikoy.
Mochi egg yolk pastry. Crispy dumpling. Chinese coins.
Yeah. Green tea Kit Kat! Yay!
Apple green tea.
Okay. Bakit natin ginawa to? Kasi
We want to celebrate Chinese New Year with everyone who's watching this video.
okay, we're gonna start.
You want this?
Half. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the bun and so you guys can see. It's barbecue pork bun. It's sweet on the outside and barbecue-ish in the inside.
So while we're doing this, maybe we can do shout outs to our co-vloggers here in BC. So first off, shout out to Noel Inspires. So we'll put his page or link down below. You could check out his channel. This is the sticky rice and lotus leaf. Give you the other half. And shout out to AJ and me. Lagay din namin yung link nila down below. You guys can check it out.
Can't go wrong with your shawarma.
Yan, siomai nila. And then this one, what is this?
Rice roll with donut.
Rice roll with donut. Look at that. Wow. One of our favorites.
Ano flavor tong tikoy?
Hindi ko nakita sa packaging eh. Why?
Lasa siyang
Ano?
tea.
Is it good? In a
Parang
way?
may dahon-dahon pa nga oh.
Ano?
Not too sweet.
That's good.
Let's try.
Want some meat puff?
No, thank you. I'll try the crispy dumpling. Is there meat inside?
Guys, this is yung parang siyang what do you call that? Buchi, pero they have sweet meat inside. So you can see that.
The crispy dumpling has peanut inside.
Oh.
It's good. Curious what's inside the crispy dumpling. Peanut. The sesame cookie. So parang sarap. It's good.
This vlog is inspired by our Filipino Chinese friends. Want to give them a shout? Let's start it off. Okay.
Hi Wendy. Hi Melissa.
Choi by Choi. Wendy Melissa. And
Si
Mike.
Calvin. Yeah, Mike. Shout out from Calvin. Stanley, Kevin, Dana,
Choi by Choi.
Calvin. Yun.
How about our friends?
Sa Philippines. Nick,
Choi by Choi Nick.
Jason, Tracy.
Tracy. Choi by Choi. Tracy and family now. Mitch.
Oh, here. Kim, Christine.
And to all our family and friends. Choi by Choi.
Hirap mag-remember. So far, pinaka-favorite ko yung seaweed cookie.
Talaga?
Parang pati mga bata gusto ko. Ito kasi hindi makakaunit ni Carl sa at ni Claire.
Dami peanuts.
Hindi na pwede baunin. dito lang. Ang bigat sa sentong mga pastries. Kaya, you should find out what these treats mean.
If you guys know dito sa mga food na kinuha namin, please comment down below.
Anong significance nila sa Chinese?
Correct, yeah.
Try natin yung fortune.
Sige.
Anong fortune?
Parang feeling ko, ano siya eh. Hindi ba yung parang texture niya parang yung sa Philippines, Barquillos? Ang Barquillos version natin.
Yeah. Okay, let's see my fortune. Ayaw ko siya kainin. Gusto ko lang hanapin yung fortune. Ooh! A thrilling time is in your immediate future.
Uy, ano
Oh
ba?
my gosh, I'm thrilled. Ayan o. A thrilling time is in your immediate future. Okay. Exciting. Ay ka, bili ka.
Yeah. Uy, yung number sa likod, dahil natin sa loto.
Oo nga.
You are kind, trustworthy by nature. Woo!
Have some party. Okay.
Thank you.
Bigat sa chan, no? Ako, may kinain ako na parang busog ako. Actually, marami na ako dapat nakain. If you want the best dim sum, go to Richmond. Here in Canada. Canada talaga, hindi lang easy. Super daming choices. Sarap. Ayaw mga parang never before man na narinig na dim sum. Sarap ito.
Sige.
Hindi ko ata mabigat sa chan.
Toilet. Bakit ba yung sa ito?
Umuya ka pa kakakalang sa red.
Yung toilet naman to, saka yun.
Hindi ko din nadat ng isa.
Durog.
Sasame. Seaweed pala. Seaweed cookie. Diba? Ito yung favorite ko eh. So far. Okay, let's try the... Baka dessert to. Mochi egg yolk. Okay, mochi egg yolk. Let's open it up. Okay, here's what's inside the mochi egg yolk. What's that? Yolk, egg yolk.
Ano, Popia style?
May mochi inside. May sticky.
Ano, is it good? Talaga?
Ito natin yung yolk. Alat, ang sarap. Sa'yo, agad na. Ba?
Parang siyang Popia.
Yung labas. Yung loob mochi. Hiwain mo na tong baked rice cake. All butter.
Parang red egg. Ngipit nga.
Galing na preserve nila ng galang. Let's try this. Ay, nakakabusog. Lots of sesame seeds inside. Ano? Pasado?
Yeah, masarap yan.
I'll try na lang from your seeds.
Masarap siya actually. Chewy. I like it.
Bowl ko, Jollibee Mukbang. Pag nag-open na yung first ever Jollibee dito sa Vancouver.
Watch out for that. Once mag-open yon, we're gonna buy...
Hindi ako nun.
We're gonna buy a lot of Jolly Chicken.
Hot dogs,
Lahat ng
spaghetti.
nanis namin na food about Jollibee, we're gonna buy it.
Ano pang pwede Mukbang? Suggest tayo.
Kaya, comment down below kung ano yung pwede pa naming may mukbang. Tingnan natin itong kanilang chocolate. Here we go, guys. Look at that.
Ibigay niyo mga nasa cake. Pag may birthday.
Tsaka, saan ko ng bata ako kinakain ko ito eh.
Nasa pirate pack na niya ng rice pack.
Oh, yeah.
Puro wrap kayo. Ito, mayroong wrap din eh. Sige.
No?
Try.
Kit Kat. Try that.
No. We'll try the Kit Kat sake.
Yeah, guys, it's green. That. Ah,
Dahil
So,
maka-travel.
gagawin naming winter all of a sudden. There you go. Lamig. Yeah.
Ano, background na Divisoria.
Dadalhin dito sa Victoria. There you go. Ayan. Sa Victoria na.
Eh, sabi nga. Kaya sa...
Balik naman natin sa ano. Dahil Chinese New Year, magpapagay sa China.
Sa Chinatown. Kaya ako.
Kapusot. O,
Hindi
yan,
ko na
pasimba.
kanain yung gold pork kasi ayaw ko na yung lasa.
Okay.
Sige, ayaw ko na rin yung gold pork kasi alam ko na yung lasa.
Ah. Parang ang Bertilios, guys. Talaga.
Shock sa ice cream.
That's a good idea. Put this.
Okay!
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us in this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto nyong imukbang namin in the future.
Content.
Or a content. We will see you on our next vlog. Kung hey, Choi!
Bye!
Bye!